How to make money on Etsy by selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable daily affirmation cards on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you confirm if this is really a winning product or not, and also it's going to help you in the future when it comes to finding new winning products, and also when it comes to spying on the competitors or spying on the other shops to see what products they are working on, what are the products that are making them the most amount of money, and also to see what are the products that are not making them any money in order to avoid spending or wasting time on them. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products using canva.com, using pre-made templates that were already made. You will just need to add your touch, make some adjustments, and they will be ready to be sold. So let's start by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. And here let's click on search printable daily affirmation cards, and let's give it a few seconds to load. It will take a little bit of time because now it's only showing us the products that are sponsored by their sellers. As you can see in here, add by Etsy seller. Same thing with this other product, same thing with this one, add by Etsy seller. And we want to see the ones that are really ranking in the search, not the ones that are ranking only because they are sponsored. So let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. It will switch right now. And here, this one is popular now on Etsy, which means even though it's sponsored, it's popular as well. But here we can see the ones that are really ranking in the search. We have this one here, which is 63 affirmation cards, printable affirmation. Another one here. Let's choose this one in here. Click on this product. I'm clicking, but it's not clicking. So here it's loading. Let's scroll down to see if we can find another product in here like this one. Let's check this one as well. So here this one costs approximately $6. So let's copy the name of the shop. We will use it when it comes to spying. So let's take the name, open a new window, and type Everbee, which is the tool we are going to use in order to see if this is really a winning product or not. And also we are going to see the shop's data and the shop's insights to see how many products they have, when was that shop created, their total sales, or the total sales they have made from the start to now. Let's sign up for free to Everbee and give it a few seconds to load. And here in this application or in this platform, you will find a lot of tools that you can use in order to scale your business on Etsy. Let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we will use the shop analyzer. That's the tool we are going to use in order to see the insights of that shop. So here let's type the name, Trendy Fox Studio, click on search, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here it's still loading. Just be patient with it, guys. It will complete loading right away. And while we wait for it to complete loading, let's check this product as well. Planner Gate. And this is their store or the shop. It has more than 1,000 products listed. And here let's go to the right to see the shop's age, 44 months. And these are the total shop sales, more than 65,000 sales, or approximately 66,000 sales over 44 months, which is, if you can just do the math, 66,000 times $4 or $5. That means these people or this person is making a lot of money with only digital products. As you can see in here, he is only selling digital products. So let's look for the printable affirmation cards here. Printable virtual tip, it's not the one we are looking for. Printable badass affirmations, we need printable affirmation cards. That's the product we are looking for. So let's scroll down. Boohoo Etsy shop kit. As you can see, guys, only digital products. Printable price list, printable soap label. So we need to find the printable affirmation cards. Here, let's scroll down. Sell just the leopard business, printable virtual tip, watercolor. So here we need the printable affirmation cards. So here, let's just check this one here, printable Boohoo thank you cards. I think this product is not available in here. I couldn't find it. So let's check this one. This one has no reviews. That means this is not a winning product. Let's check the first one in here, business cards template. I'm just going to show you how you can find or how you can get the total sales of a product based on the reviews without having to upgrade this spying tool to the paid version. If you can, that's fine, but for the people that cannot upgrade to the paid version, you can just see the reviews, and with the reviews you will be able to guess the amount of sales they have made, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So you can just multiply the reviews by 2. For example, here the reviews per month 5, which means the sales per month would be 10, around 10. So that means this is a winning product if it's making 10 sales per month, which means $70 if they are selling the product for $7, which means $70 a passive income every month with only creating a product in 2 hours or 3 hours of time and listing it on Etsy, and it will always be there and you will always get money from it whenever someone buys it. So let's go to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that with the pre-made templates. You can just make some changes to them, add your own touch or your personal touch, see what's trending and make sure to make the changes based on the trend, and then you will have a winning product to list on your Etsy shop. So here, let's reload canva.com. Let's give it a few seconds to load. And here, let's type the name of the product we want to create. And we will find a lot of templates that we can use in order to have our own products to list on Etsy. So just give it a few seconds to load.